No matter what type of mattress you slide on top of the frame, the durable steel slats will support and extend the life of your mattress without the need for a box spring. Hey everyone, Sleep Chef here. Today I'll be looking at the ZINUS Yelena 14-inch metal platform bed frame. This is everything that comes in the shipment, including the frame itself, instructions for assembly, and the tools you'll need to do so. The assembly is quick and easy. All you have to do is follow the instructions and tighten a few screws to piece it all together. Here's how it looks completely assembled. You can see we have the ultra durable and strong alloy steel construction holding everything together. This particular bed frame is a queen size, but you can also order it as a twin, full, or king. We have beneath the frame 13 inches of underbed storage, but you can also opt for a total height of 16 or 18 inches if you need a bit more clearance. And if you're worried about it being too tall, keep in mind you won't need a box spring. No matter what type of mattress you slide on top of the frame, the durable steel slats will support and extend the life of your mattress without the need for a box spring. This ZINUS bed frame is also compatible with headboards, so you can easily attach your own standard-sized headboard using the pre-drilled holes in 2 of the legs. You'll also have a 5-year limited warranty and peace of mind knowing that your bed frame can support up to 700 pounds or 350 if you order the twin size. Overall, I recommend this ZINUS Yelena 14-inch metal platform bed frame to anyone who is looking for a minimalist design and would like some extra storage space beneath their bed.